nyencha kare nza kubarabyamu nza kubanza tubarabyemu process ibararabemu okutera akaroro akabantu bakuzire haza ababa ba electoral college y'abantu batano waba multiplying by the 38 districts nitwihamu delegates 19 konka omba delegates aba 19 ntwenda kuyihamu abantu babiri abitukuza kuterera akaroro male older person na female older person. So hati ababa bantu 19 nubo nibaza kunominating aba candidates babo manya nibabanza besimba, they pick nomination papers aho naho rero kuba kuzigariza the returning officer, that is Mr. Bob Baine, aba nominatinga bazom campaigns for a few hours, then after a few hours tuzom kutera akaruru byona nitubikora ahizoba rimwe. Akaruru aka nikaza kutandika nkashahina rero tukahendere nkashaye 10